Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up?
Okay,
Shut up. Okay,
They
what's
got
up? Shut up. Okay, what's up?
Ride around in my brand new 99 photo Volvo. I got a pocket full of bees, coca weed, it ain't got no place to go though. But all my bogus boys, they know though, that's for sure though.
Are those bigger boy jeans you're wearing?
Hell nah, ho, you know they polo. I've been used again, accused again. This time been wrong for job, something done by one of my youth friends. Soon as they seen the biz, hate the season was in. Hell, cause they feeling me, but I understand and they reason being. But I'm the man for this. While y'all was doing fine, I was doing time, just praying for this. Locked up, making plans for this. Without all that fancy shit. Way too advanced for this. Got polo socks, tank tops, drawers up under my plans and shit.
Shut up. Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay,